So welcome back to another video. In this lesson I'm going to be teaching you the basic chord progression of the song I'll Be Here Worshipping by Dunsin Oyekan. We're going to do this in the key of C, is our scale. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the basic chord progression, then I'll teach you some little passing chords that I like to apply to the song to make it sound even much more awesome. Okay, so I'll be using the chord number system to explain this basic chord progression. So you should be familiar with the diatonic chord in the key of C. That is, your chord 1 is this is your chord 2, this is your chord 3, your chord 4, your chord 5, your chord 6, your chord 7, and your chord 1. Okay, so I'm assuming you are familiar with all these chords. So let's begin. So the song is just basically, let's see, not much chords. Just it starts from the 6th chord. That's this, you see. I'll be here. Okay, that's 6, 7, 1, or you can use 6, 5, 1. Anyone that best suits you. Okay, so I would like to use 1, 7, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so I'll be here. Okay, then worshipping. You see that? That's a kind of like a popular passing chord move. That's 7, 3, 6. Okay, so I went from my 7th chord to my 3rd chord, which is usually a minor chord, but we are making it a major chord this time around, so that it pulls us, okay, to our 6th note. Okay, so worshipping to the chord 6. Okay, then we go to our chord 4. All of the days of my life. Okay, that is all of the days, chord 4 of my life, chord 5. Okay, to chord 6. Okay, then we start again. I'll be here. Okay, that's 7, that is 6, 7, 1, or you can use 6, 5, 1. Okay, so then we move to 7 again. Worshipping to chord 6, then to chord 2. All of the days to chord 5 of my life, and chord 1. Okay, so that's just basically how the whole song flows. So before teaching you some passing chord that I like to apply, let me quickly play this song again without pausing so that you will understand how it actually flows. So again from the beginning. I'll be here worshipping all of the days of my life, and I'll be here lifting hands all of the days of my life. Okay, so that's just basically the progression of the song. So now what I like to apply whenever I want to go to my chord 2 in this song is actually a passing chord that is a major 6th. Okay, which is this. That is the 6th tone in the key of C. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like to make it either a major chord or a dominant 7th chord. Okay, and this is actually a passing chord. So if you want to know more about passing chord, I have a full series on it. You can check the link in the description box below for my passing chord videos and understand it very much. I also have videos on dominant 7th chord. You can also watch it for better understanding. So I like using this passing chord to my 2. Okay, so let me use it again so that you see how it goes. So I'll be here lifting hands. This is okay, this is a passing chord. All of the days of my life. Okay, instead of just lifting hands, that's from 6 to 2. All of the days I did like this. From 6 I applied the dominant 7th passing chord. Okay, that, or you can say the major 6th. that's just basically the progression of the song. So with the other part of the song is just more or less like a chant. It's just they keep repeating this part again. I'll be here again, worshiping all of the days of my life. Okay. So that's just basically how the whole song flows. So we'll be stopping here for now. I hope you learned something new. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Okay, so we'll see you in our next video.